everyone, my name is Anita Ananda and my name 6424550X7. Here I will explain the tasks, namely for part 1 about speech smoking in the campus area, and part 2 I will explain about the simple present tense. Smoking in the campus area. Smoking is not just a habit, it has significant negative impacts both on the health of the smoker and on the surrounding environment. To be honest, I really don't like it when people smoke in public areas, especially on campus. Why? Because I believe a campus should be a place where students can feel comfortable, stay healthy, and focus on learning. However, the presence of smoking on campus can disrupt the learning atmosphere and create an unhealthy environment. When someone smokes in the hallways, parking areas, or around the campus, the smoke doesn't just affect the smokers, but also the people around them. In addition, I believe smoking sets a bad example for other students. Some might think it looks cool or normal, but it's not. It's dangerous for both the body and the brain. Therefore, I strongly support a smoking ban on campus. Such a policy would make our campus cleaner, healthier, and more comfortable for all students. This is my explanation about smoking speech in the campus area. And for part 2, I will explain about simple present tense. Definition of the simple present tense. Tense that is used when an event is happening right now, or an event that happens repeatedly or habitually. These tense are the most commonly used tense in the English language. Examples. For general fact, the sun rises in the east. For habit, she goes to school every day. And for general truth, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Forming the simple present tense. Rule. For I, you, they, we, use the base form of the verb. Examples, I play basketball. For she, he, it, add s or es to the verb. Example, she plays basketball. Third person singular spelling rules. For most verb add s. She drinks tea. For verb ending in x or o, add es. She was the dishes. For verb ending in a consonant y, change y to is. He studies every day. Affirmative sentence in the simple present tense. Subject plus base verb plus s or es for third person singular. Example, we walk to school every day. He walks to school every day. Negative sentence in the simple present tense. Subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb plus object. Rules. Use don't for I, you, they, we. And example, I don't like milk. Use doesn't for he, she, it. Example, he doesn't like milk. Question in the simple present tense. Do or does plus subject plus verb plus objects. Do or does plus subject plus verb plus object question mark. Rule. Use do with I, you, they, we. Example, do you drink tea? Question mark. And use does with he, she, it. Example, does the rabbit run fast? Question mark. Short answer in the simple present tense. For yes or no question, respond with yes or no followed by do or does, or don't or doesn't. Example, do they live here? Answer, yes they do or no they do. And does she live here? Answer, yes she does or no she doesn't. Add verb of frequency with the simple present tense. Adverb of frequency such as always, as usually, often, sometimes, never describe how often something happens. They come before the main verb but after the verb to be. Examples: she always talks to the flowers in the garden. The rabbit usually runs late to the tea party. The Queen of Hearts sometimes plays croquet with her cards. So this is my explanation about smoking in the campus area and about the simple present tense. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.